Welcome to the External Identity Provider User Enrollment tutorial using Okta. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's start by creating a new application in Okta and download the metadata requirement for the enrollment. Create a new application from the Applications menu and select SAML 2.0 to begin. Provide an app name of your choice and click Next. Since this is a new application, the actual URLs for SAML settings will be sent by the Fortinet team once they receive the enrollment form. For now, enter the temporary URLs in Okta SAML settings, which are supposed to be updated by the new URLs later. This is important to generate the metadata file, which needs to be shared with the Fortinet team. Next, download the metadata and save the metadata.xml file. Step 2. Fill the enrollment form with all the details and send the form along with the metadata file downloaded in the previous step to the Fortinet team. In the enrollment form, get the FortiCloud account system ID and account email. We can collect the account information by looking at the FortiCloud profile dropdown. You can find your account system ID and username under My Account. After successful enrollment, you'll receive an email with service provider SAML information as shown here on this screen. Step 4. We configure the SAML settings in Okta with the service provider information provided in the email. Step 5. We will assign FortiCloud IAM role to the user group. Let's add a group attribute statement for role, which is case sensitive. Click Next and then click Finish. Now, navigate to the Group section and create a group. You can assign people to the group. Next, go to the Applications tab and assign applications to the newly created group. As a final step, we need to create an external IdP roles in the FortiCloud portal. Copy the external IdP group name you created in Okta for later use. Navigate to the IAM portal in FortiCloud and create a permission profile. Provide a permission profile name of your choice and select the portals you would like to provide the permissions to. Create a corresponding external IdP roles in the FortiCloud IAM portal for all groups assigned to the application. The role name should match with the group names created in Okta. To log in, use the portal URL from the email or the sign-on icon in Okta. If you have multiple roles, select a role to log in and access the corresponding account. And that's it. You're now enrolled as an external IdP user using Okta.